Delicious egg masala rice recipe is here, guys. It's an Indian inspired recipe. It's a delicious recipe. You can make this recipe in your pot under 40 minutes. How deliciously we will be making this recipe. I have organic eggs. I have boiled them, 5 of them. So hard boiled, 15 minutes. They are ready to go. Plain yogurt. This is a cumin powder. We have some cinnamon sticks, some black cardamom. We have some clove powder, some salt, some bay leaves, some turmeric, and the red chili powder. This is chopped onion. We have some olive oil, some garlic. So this is 1 cup of basmati rice right here. And you will add some water in here, so the rice are soaking in water at least for 15-20 minutes. So we will add at least 10 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm doing the rough counts, so here you go. Grab hard-boiled eggs, right? We'll give little cuts on top of the white pot, and you will add this straight into the pan. You will add some turmeric to it, a little bit. Little bit means quarter teaspoon of turmeric and quarter teaspoons of the red chili powder. Just like that. So you guys can see it's forming a crusty layer on top. Once it's been 5 minutes, you stir fry. This should look like these guys, okay? We'll put the eggs back from where we got it. This recipe is so famous these days on TikTok. 4 cloves of garlic, rough dice these guys. This is 1 medium-sized onion, diced. We will add both things together in here. The same oil. 2 medium-sized green chilies. We will saute our onions and garlic now. And in the meantime, you'll be start adding the dry ingredients in there. Okay, the first thing I'm adding, small stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, cumin powder, half teaspoon, couple of the bay leaves. Let's stir fry these guys for a minute. Clove powder right now, at least half tablespoon. We have sauteed our onions with some dry ingredients deliciously. Alright, now we will take some yogurt. Yes, at least 4 tablespoons of yogurt. They go in here. If you want to go dairy free, you can still do dairy free in here. Salt to taste, I would say 1.5 tablespoon of salt. It's forming a perfect masala right now here. So we will cook this on a high flame for another 5 more minutes. Together, we have added our yogurt, our dry ingredients, onions, garlic, things. So it's forming the perfect masala. I have chopped half of the capsicum or bell pepper, you can say. We'll add this. It will give a perfect flavor to the rice. Okay, let's add this right here now. Spread the rice. I'll take 1 more cup of water, and here you go. Masala eggs. Look at these beauties. Just land them right now, right on top of this. They will get steamed. They will get all the flavors. Put your stove onto medium to high flame. Cover this with the lid on top. Cook just like this at least for 10 minutes, and then I will show you what to do next. Delicious egg masala rice are 15 minutes away, guys. We have put all the ingredients. I showed you the water. It's been 10 minutes. It was on to medium to high flame. Now we will put our stove on to simmer, okay? And look at this. Let me show you, okay, from the inside. This is how it looks. The water has been dried up, and the rice you can see. Once you can see the rice, you can put the stove on to medium. Cover it again with the lid, and we will wait another 15 minutes. It's so aromatic. My whole kitchen is aromatic with this beautiful egg masala rice recipe. Give me 15 more minutes, and then I'll show you this delicious recipe. beautiful egg masala rice is ready. Or if you're feeling an Indian touch of rice and egg, why not to make this egg masala rice? Enjoy this recipe, subscribe the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Yummy, right? Here goes the first bite.